boys and girls.
Supercross.
What do you think?
How's it going?
Dude, Alec, good to see you, buddy. Oh, hey, there's socks in my hand, but they're clean, I promise. How you doing, man?
Doing good.
How's the track looking?
Pretty soft, but pretty good.
Yeah?
So, we'll see. Should be super good racing tomorrow.
Okay, that's all professional. Come on. Hey, you've been taking some sick pictures lately. That's you're looking good, but that condition 1 case maybe looking even better.
Yeah.
WWE champions right there. Are you scared or what?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, no?
No.
What does that mean? Yeah, no?
No.
Sir, how you feeling? Are you scared?
No, I'm fine.
Hey, dude, what is the deal? How many followers did you get from that incident last weekend?
Not as many as I wish.
Your reel is my most liked video of probably my life, honestly. You went underneath people that come at you, and that was gnarly.
I don't even know. Like, I've had 100 people ask me that, and I'm like, dude, I don't know. I'm just glad it turned out the way it did.
Yeah,
it could have went 1,000 different ways, and it went the best possible.
You didn't crash, you didn't lose any positions, really.
Yeah, I lost like 4 positions. I think if that wouldn't have happened, my second crash in the roofs probably wouldn't have happened. But it's whatever. It is what it is.
It doesn't matter. It was a memorable one.
Yeah, that's great.
It was all time.
Hopefully that'll be played for a long time.
It will be.
Yeah.
Most epic save in Supercross history, right here.
Let's go, dude.
I told him if he wins this bike, he's got me on his team. Test your instincts. Oh, we got one. Oh!
Actually have nice things.
What are you doing? How's it going? Good to see you. Hey, have fun tonight.
Camera in my face,
Just me. See, sorry guys.
What are you doing?
Watch some dirt bikes, man.
Kids?
Yeah.
No, we got all of them. My mom has them. That's where we gotta go. We got 9 kids now, so.
No, this is not. What's happening, dog?
That's a cute sticker.
All right, come on in, bud. All right, so I'm gonna have you go right here on that line, okay? No, that's you. That's you.
Playing in the sand, just like every day at. Wait, there's no sand at Washougal.
Hey guys, I'm Chris with VetMX. We're out here for St. Louis for this round of SMX. We're set up next to the McGinley Clinic. Stop by and see us. If you can't make it today, come out to any round. We're here for all of them.
Packed house, looking for Sugar Fire restaurant, and we might not have time to catch opening ceremonies. That's my favorite part of the races too. Sit up top, so we can see everything.